Hi guys, welcome back. Today's title is Phonics, to double or not to double? That is the question. So today we are talking about doubling the consonants again, and we're just doing a review to try to figure out if we can remember. Do we understand when to double the consonant? Do we understand when to drop the E and add ing? Or do we understand when we just add ing by itself? So we're going to go through all of those again just to make sure that you have them and have some practice. Today, I have included in your lesson on Google Classroom the two videos that we've watched already earlier. If you want to watch those again and you enjoy them, please feel free to pull those up. For our learning target today, it says I can create real words using a hunk and chunk. So I can learn to sound out words. I will know I have it when I can create words that add ing to the verb. So today, again, just a review of what we have been talking about. So just like our beginning schema song taught us, we have words that end in silent E. So this is just our practice that we talked about on Monday. When a word ends in silent E, so that is bossy E at the end, you drop the E and add ing. If a word ends in silent E, we drop the E and add ing. So make sure you remember whenever there's ing at the end, you're going to drop that E, add ing. And then the other one that we learned yesterday was that 1-1-1 rule. And then I threw in that extra one just in case we needed to know it. And that was to make sure that if we have a one-syllable word, it has one vowel and one consonant, then we double the last consonant and add ing. And we also said that if that extra one, if it has a short vowel, we need to remember that sometimes too. Because yesterday we learned that row is a three-letter word. It has a vowel, it has a consonant, but we do not add an extra W to it. So just reviewing those rules to give you another chance today to practice that. I want to make sure that you have that. So just a review day for us. So for guided practice today, go ahead and get out your whiteboard, or get out your notebook or your paper that you're keeping your notes in, and you're writing these things down. Today, let's go ahead and make some words and see if we can figure out what we need to do. So the first one is make. So go ahead and write the word make. And let's see if we can remember what is the rule. I'm looking at this and I see that this rule is the drop the E rule. I see the E on the end. So I am going to write make, M-A-K, drop the E and add ing, and it's going to turn it into making. If you want to try these on your own, you are more than welcome to pause the video and write the other three words and see if you can write them correctly, and then start the video and you can play back to see if you were correct. The next one is grow. So does it have a silent E at the end? No. Does it have one syllable? Yes. Does it have a vowel? Yes. Does it have a consonant at the end? Yes. That little extra one, does it have a short vowel sound? No. This one says grow, so it has the O. So now we are just going to add ing to the end of that regular base word. So hopefully you got that one correct. All right, I look at this word on give. I see it has a silent E, so drop the E, add ing, G-I-V-I-N-G, giving. All right, let's go to pet. Okay, it doesn't have a silent E at the end, so let's do the 1-1-1. Is it one syllable? Pet, yes. Is there one vowel? Yes. Is there one consonant? Yes. And just to double check, is it lost my train of thought. Is it a short vowel sound? Yes, it is the sound and not the E sound. So we're going to double the last letter, Petting. We're going to double that letter. All right, so that is all of the rules for ing kind of stuck together. So today we're going to throw all those together in your independent practice just to see if you have it. So the first thing you're going to do is sort the 6 given words into 3 groups. So here we go. We have 6 words. You're going to sort these into 3 groups. You're going to sort a consonant is doubled. You're going to be able to see that. Be careful on that, but make sure your consonant is doubled. Drop the E and add ing, or just use the root word and add ing. I don't drop anything and I'm not adding anything. So fill those in using your given words. And then it says sort the words into 2 groups using the chart on the next slide. That should say sort into 3 groups. Let's fix that. So you want to come up with 2 more words that has a consonant doubled. You want to come up with 2 more words that drops the E. And you want to come up with 2 more words where you just add ing. And you're more than welcome to use the words that I did in the mini lesson if you wrote those down in your notebook. You can also use the extra charts on the next page, which is drop the E and add ing and double. You may have to come up with some of your own long vowel sound, just add ing words. But again, if you want to, you can use the 1 or 2 that I used in our lesson earlier. Okay, so that's it. I hope that this little extra practice will keep you thinking about adding ing in your writing as well as reading ing words. You guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.